Attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. No link. Attack. Since blessing, viewers and sub blessing. Big up on yourself, people. Don't know what the thing go. Don't know what's a new link there. And what me I go talk about now, people. You understand? And this is a message I want to say before me even start talk about me, what me I go report for now. Zin, you see, the youths them in Jamaica who love hang out pan corner, you know what me I say? A time now for the kind of be careful, because you know the thing I go, you understand? Because you did in a group with a man hang out pan a corner, and your mind don't know where your next man in or something, and when the man them come for him, every one of them I go wait up. Remember, you will tell them that, so now have to be careful. You understand? Well, people, news are reached New Links right now, people. 5 persons were shot in a place in St. James, so them call him Spot Valley. You understand, people? Yeah, and that I don't know be the same way where I say St. James, you don't know. God, he said that now, people. Yesterday, at about 4 p.m., you understand, there was a group of men, you know, and you understand, standing at a place in a Spot Valley, on a local corner, on the roadway, when a SUV drove up, people. 2 men alerted from the SUV and start fire several shots at the group of men, people. The 2 men then jump back in the SUV and them comes a boom, step in it and move away. Comes a boom now, people so I go on other people and call police and everything. When them come, people, 5 persons out of the group was suffering from gunshot wounds. 5 of them carried the 5 hospital where 2 of them pronounced dead, while 3 is in hospital under treatment, people. You get me I say? So 5 persons, the man them lick. You know what I mean, people? And out of these 5 people, who to tell if all of them in a something or if I did all of them want. But them see them maybe them want, as me I say, maybe one of them in a something or 2 of them in a something, but they're in a group, and the whole group them are gonna lick done. The persons who were dead, people, one of them is a 32-year-old man, and them say he's a shopkeeper. And the other one is a 26-year-old man, and them say him is a vendor. And they are both from Spot Valley address in a St. James in a Mobile same way. Youths of Jamaica. You New Link I say. The bag of gang thing and the group thing, when I've got to try to break on yourself from that. You understand? Worse it coming on to Christmas now, and Christmas is come like say, either the bird season time, or bird feeding time. For the bad man them. You understand? Because see to me, Christmas time I when them do the most of them things when they come out to Christmas. Like at that time them plan say, I'm not make the board live for see 25th, I'm not make the board live for see Boxing Day, I'm not make the board live for see Christmas Eve. You understand? And them comes a boom. You know what I mean? All of me can't tell you youth. Better phone and a life and stay away from certain things, and you will tell them that in so much and several videos. You understand? Better you can stay away from trouble and problem and friends and company, because the same friend them will keep sometime them can cause you to be in a problem or even cause a life or cause as much a problem mean gone up jail or prisoner or something. You understand? So you have to think on the one youths. What's the best you can do? Broke on yourself from certain things. Remember New Link telling that. So from me, people, I just want to send out my condolences to the families and friends of these deceased. If they were good persons, you understand? Because you don't know, say them they on a certain level, New Link are going to say, attack. But you don't know people who don't want to see people life go like that. You know what I mean? New Link who wants to people live, enjoy life, have a great time, just like when me try to do each and every day. You understand? Because life is so precious, life is so great. That's why when people waste life, New Link have to definitely say, boy. So you don't know the thing of people. This is New Link from New Link Production. And I mean say attack. Blessed love. And remember, do follow me on Instagram. New Link _production official. Follow us now. Please follow. You understand? And remember, when you watch the ads them on the video, you know. When you see ads them pop up, when you watch them. You understand? Watch the ads. Them. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Peace. Them a go do ya now. No link on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. No link. Attack.